Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back. Students, today we will continue our chapter that is heat and its effect. Let's start. Let's start with temperature. Why did the bottle of water feel cold in the fridge while it was so hot outside? So, my dear students, the answer lies in the concept of temperature. Yes, temperature indicates the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place. And my dear students, we must remember that our own sense of what is hot and what is called cold can sometimes be misleading. Yes, it can be. So, you see, the term hot and cold are only relative term. So, my dear students, there always has to be a reference body with respect to which we can say whether a given body is hot or cold. Therefore, it is important that we use an instrument rather than our own judgment to measure temperature. So, my dear students, when you touch a hot object, say hot water, you feel hot? Yes. If you touch a cold object, say ice, you feel cold. You feel hot in the first case because heat energy flows from the hot object to your hand. And in the second case, as heat energy flows from your hand to the cold object, you feel cold. So, how to measure temperature, students? How can we measure temperature? So, we can use either the Celsius or the Fahrenheit scale to measure temperature. The Celsius scale. Temperature on the scale is measured in degrees Celsius. Read as degree Celsius. On this scale, we take the temperature at which pure water freezes at sea level to the 0 degree Celsius. So this is called lower fixed point, students. The temperature at which pure water boils at sea level is called the upper fixed point. It is taken as 100 degrees Celsius. So we can say that, student, at sea level, we say that at sea level, because the temperature at which water freezes or boils changes as we go to higher altitude. The Fahrenheit scale. Temperature is also measured in Fahrenheit. Its lower fixed point is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit and the upper fixed point as 212 degree Fahrenheit. In our country and in most other countries, the Celsius scale is more commonly used. Conversion formula for degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. The simple equation given below will help us to convert one temperature scale to another. Number 1. Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Number 2 is Celsius is equal to 5 upon 9 into Fahrenheit minus 32, where F is for Fahrenheit and C is for Celsius. Measurement of temperature. The instrument used to measure temperature is called thermometer. Yes, student, the instrument used to measure thermometer is called temperature. The instrument used to measure temperature is called thermometer. So, there are 4 different types of thermometer. What are those? First is Mercury thermometer. In 1714, Gabriel Fahrenheit invented the first mercury thermometer. Mercury is used in thermometers because of the following reasons. Mercury remains in the liquid state for a wide range of temperature. It melts at minus 38.87 degrees Celsius and boils only at 356.58 degrees Celsius. It is relatively easy to see because of its silvery grey color, is not stick to glass. Yes, it has a fairly uniform rate of expansion for an inside range of temperatures. Number 2. Alcohol thermometer. Thermometers in which alcohol is used have some advantage over mercury thermometers. So students, alcohol is cheaper and less harmful than mercury. Alcohol thermometer can measure much lower temperature than mercury. However, the main disadvantage of using alcohol thermometer is that these thermometers can measure temperature only up to 78 degrees Celsius, while mercury thermometer can measure much higher temperature. Number 3. Laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer consists of a thin glass tube which is sealed at one end and has a bulb at the other end. The range of temperature which a laboratory thermometer can measure is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer. The thermometer used to measure our body's temperature is called clinical thermometer. It is generally a mercury thermometer, though nowadays digital thermometers are becoming very popular. So my dear students, we have learnt about heat and its effect on solid, liquid and gases. We also learned about temperature and measurement of temperature. I hope everybody understood the chapter. So students, try to find the answers of part C in the book of chapter number 5, that is heat and its effect, and we will solve these answers in our exercise video. Till then, take care students. Thank you so much.